We're going to do chakra meditation infused with breath work. Take your awareness at the very first, the lowest chakra at the base of the spine. Feeling grounded with this amazing element called Earth, Mother Earth. It's an element and it's in real. To stare at the Mooladhara chakra. Mool means root. Adhar means support. Inhale, inflate your abdomen like a balloon and push your pelvic platform down. Those who have a prolapse of the uterus condition or a vaginal prolapse will not push the pelvic platform down. Exhale, come into Mool Bandh. I repeat, dwell on your lowest chakra, Mooladhar, at the base of the spine. Inhale to do an abdominal breath. Exhale, bring the abdomen back to normal simultaneously. Do Mool Bandh after a pelvic thrust out. To reverse genitourinary problems, leg pain, cramps, spinal problems, and weight disorders. Slowly bring the awareness up from the tip of the tail to halfway between the pubis and the navel. To stare at the Swadhisthana chakra. Mind's eye staring. Swa is one's own. Adhishthan means seat, abode. Swadhisthana chakra. Start with alternate nostril Kapalbhati's here. Using your any hand, right, or if you're a lefty, left hand. Exhale, 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 pulling your abdomen in. That part which is going in with every exhalation is what you have to meditate on. Swadhisthana chakra. To reverse any malfunctions sexually, uterine, bladder, and kidney troubles. These are big promises, but believe me, big work will be required to reverse big problems so that big promises surface. Discontinue alternate nostril Kapalbhati and gently shift your awareness further up from halfway between the navel and the pubis to the solar plexus chakra called the Manipur chakra, which is at the base of the sternum. To do diaphragmatic breathing, the diaphragm is there. If you are unsure, place one hand on the chest, one on the upper abdomen, and breathe from between. Inhale, exhale. Diaphragmatic breathing, upper abdomen, base of the sternum. Normal diaphragmatic breathing, inhale, exhale. You will feel it lift, you will feel it fall. Correct. We're just doing a quick run through, just a tip of the iceberg of all the 7 chakras, breath work infused. This is related to the upper adrenal glands, the outer ones. Reverses all the damage that was caused due to anger, due to depression, and due to sense of victimization. Digestion improves. Diaphragmatic breathing. You can bring your hands down now and slowly lift your awareness to your heart. Come to the chest center because we know the heart is tilted. Come to the chest center from there. Place your right palm on the heart to feel the heartbeats, regardless of whether you can feel or not. And the left palm on the knuckles of the right hand. Heart chakra, anahat. An-ahat. An plus ahat means no. not produced by, and ahat is striking, unstruck. Anahat chakra here. Repeat 4, 7, 8 here. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are uncluttering. We are removing more than we are taking. Double time to remove. 4 is to 7 is to 8. One more round on your own. On finishing the exhalation at 8, just lift one palm on your neck, whereby the thumb is towards one ear and the four fingers towards the other ear. Very gentle touch. And start breathing in the throat breath, Gala Swasan. So your inhalations and exhalations make a sound because you've brought a little bit of friction in your throat. This is a very important way of breathing. Ujjai. So while we came back into compassion and self-expression at the Anahat Chakra breathwork, we are now coming back to clarity of thought, self-expression again, reversing vertigo, skin allergies and sore throats, balancing our thyroid secretions with Ujjayi at the Vishuddhi Chakra, Vishuddhi, purity. Don't rush this. It's neither timed nor counted. Ujjayi comes from the word Ujjapi, which means victorious, triumphant. Last round, and finally bring the four fingertips to the Agya chakra. Agya, as the word name suggests, means knowledge, surrender, to be under the wings of, to take permission. Agya hai, Agya chahiye. The third eye, they call it. Slightly between the eyebrows, above and between. The Agya chakra is that of vision. Continue Ujjayi breath in such a way that you inhale from the throat upwards towards the candle flame that you're visualizing. You exhale from the candle flame down to the throat. Intensify your awareness. Touch upon the inner wisdom and clarity of thought. Ujjayi breath, 3 more rounds. Some of us sometimes rush the next and the next. Take your time. On finishing the third Ujjayi exhalation along with throat awareness and visualization, throat pit to Bindu area, Bindi area. Only on finishing, bring the hand down, continue keeping eyes closed. Finish the third round peacefully. To notice how you feel at this time. Consciously take awareness of cool air going up the nostrils, warm air coming out as you do this inhalation. Again, notice how you feel. Don't change the breath, just watch the next one. And as soon as you finish the next exhalation, end your session with a round of palming. Do a good round of palming before you open your eyes. Were you watching your breath? People will talk, doorbells will ring, vessels will be washed, horns will be honking, music will be played, TV may be on by a roommate or a spouse, or a parent or a sibling. Were you watching your breath when I was talking? Do a good round of palming. Rub, 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 rub. Pranic energy, urja to be capped on closed eyes. Open and close your eyes in darkness. Make it simple, uncomplicated. I'm always there to guide you. Very simple. कितना कुछ हो गया नहीं, कितना आसान कर दिया. Slowly open your eyes to rise. Ready for the day till we meet again tomorrow morning at 7:25 a.m. Thank you for being a part of this session. Thank you for helping me live my mission because I have a vision. Thank you all.